Hi guys and welcome to Enchanted Nature channel, and today I will be talking about a small but deadly creature, the blue ring octopus, so stay tuned. At first glance, the blue ring octopus looks perfectly innocent. Its psychedelic coloring and pin-sized packaging make it seem more adorable than alarming. But don't let its cuddly exterior fool you. This tiny octopus can kill you, and quickly. Native to the Pacific Ocean, the blue ring octopus can be found in the soft sandy bottom at shallow tide pools and coral reefs. When not seeking food or a mate, blue ring octopus often hide in crevices, shell, and marine debris. But if you catch them outside of their cozy hiding spot, it's easy to see how the animal get its name. When threatened, blue bright rings appear all over its body as a warning signal to potential predators. Although all octopus as well as cuttlefish and some squid are venomous, the blue ring octopus is in a league of its own. Its venom is 1,000 times more powerful than cyanide, and its golf-sized powerhouse packs enough venom to kill 26 humans within a minute. It's no surprise that it's recognized as one of the most dangerous animals in the ocean. Blue ring octopus produce a potent neuride called steroxadin, a potential deadly substance also found in pufferfish. The venom is produced by symbiotic bacteria in the animal's salivary glands, more toxic than that of land mammals. Its primary use when hunting. The octopus captures crab, shrimp, and small fish by pecking through its prey exoskeleton with its beak and inserting the venom. Then it will use its beak to pick off meat while its prey remain helplessly paralyzed. In the end, though, the tough outer shell of its prey remains. So what happens if you are bitten by a blue ring octopus? First, the venom blocks the nerve signal through the body, causing muscle numbness. Other symptoms include nausea, vision loss or blindness, loss of sense, and loss of motor skills. Ultimately, it will cause muscle paralysis, including the muscles needed for human to breathe, leading to respiratory arrest. There is no known antidote, but victims can be saved if artificial respiration is started immediately. If you ever encounter this blue and yellow beauty, back away in a hurry. Its bite is usually painless, so you might not know when you have been bitten until it's too late. Unfortunately, the blue ring octopus isn't aggressive. It's only likely to bite humans if cornered or handled, so stay out of its way. In fact, there have been to known deaths for its bite since the 1960s. As long as you keep your hands to yourself, you should be fine. This species tend to have a lifespan of approximately 2 years. This can vary depending on factors such as nutrition, temperature, and the intensity of light in its habitat. Like all octopuses, they can change shape easily, which helps them to squeeze into crevices much smaller than themselves. This, along with piling up rocks outside the entrance of its lair, helps safeguard the octopus from predators. Currently, the blue ring octopus population information is listed unknown according to the International Union for the Conservation of Nature. Although threats such as bioprospecting, habitat fragmentation and degradation, overfishing and human disturbance, as well as species collections for aquarium trade, may be threats to population numbers. It is possible that It contributes to a variety of advantages to marine conservation. This genera of octopus provide stability of habitat biodiversity as well as expand the balance of marine food webs. Various species of blue ring octopus may help to control population of Asian date mussels. Additionally, future research of tetrodotoxins produced by the blue ring octopus may produce new medical discoveries. Otherwise, from the blue ring octopus, there are 4 highly venomous species of octopus that are found in tide pools and coral reefs in the Pacific and Indian Oceans from Japan to Australia. So, if you went free diving one day in the ocean and came across this beautiful creature, be sure to head in the opposite direction immediately because one bite could be deadly. So guys, if you find this video interesting, be sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and also hit that post notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. Stay tuned.